Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, FIERS FEMME. I'm a little bit far from the camera. Let me move up. Today we are going to be doing my makeup, but of course, because it's Makeup Mondays. But what is going to happen is I'm trying to figure out a way to do my makeup even more natural than I'm already doing it. So I'm going to try using the powder and little bits of makeup just around this area. So I think I'm going to get my sponge. I'm going to dip it in here. Right, this is just an experiment, so we'll see how it turns out. I'm going to use this powder, and in the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter, I have honey in it. So I'm just going to spread this concoction as if it was powdered makeup. But my face is like so clean. Like, I don't have that much blemishes. So I've been trying to figure out what can I do using what I have to just have a clean, everyday, non-shiny thing, you know. So let's try this. So we're gonna put this powder on my forehead. My mirror's down here. You see me acting crazy? On my eyelids. I'm trying to go for that clean, natural, not too much beat. Okay, so now that I put that on, I'm gonna close it. And to me, it just looks matte. Like, it didn't do nothing spectacular, right? So now we're gonna take Milk Makeup, shake it a little bit, and in the Milk Makeup, it is, what is this? Caramel. My skin tone is caramel, but I think I could go a little darker. I don't know. This is something looks off to me sometimes, but since I put the powder, I think it'll work. So I'm just gonna put literally 3 dots, and not 3 big dots, 3 little dots, right? I'm gonna take the little dots and I'm gonna put it around this area right here. Right? Left on my finger. And then I'm gonna blend it out. To my cheeks and up. Kind of like tap for pull, tap for pull, tap for pull. And then do the same thing over here. light layered makeup. When you layer it, easy peasy lemon squeezy. But anyways, this is the natural. And now I'm thinking about what lip I want to do. Do I want to do a poppy pink lip? I don't have pink lip liner, but I have this bright pink lippy from ColourPop. Let's see how it comes up. This effectively, especially if you don't have a lot of discoloration. Well, I don't know. I got some around my mouth, and I'm looking at it, and it's getting less and less. watching.